নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল মই জ্যোতিষিকা আজি আপোনালোকৰ মাজলৈ লৈ আহিছোঁ নতুন এটা ভিডিঅ' আজি এই ভিডিঅ'টো আন ভিডিঅ'বোৰতকৈ অলপ সুকীয়া কাৰণ মই আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ ওলাইছোঁ এখন সেমিনাৰ পেপাৰৰ বিষয়ে সেমিনাৰ পেপাৰখনৰ টপিকটো হৈছিলে দ্য কনচেপ্ট অফ সাবষ্টেন্স এজ এ ৰিয়েলিটি অফ বৈশেষিক ফিলচফি এখন সেমিনাৰ পেপাৰ কেনেকৈ তৈয়াৰ কৰিব লাগে তাৰে এটা আপোনালোকে আভাস পাব MA second semester এখন সেমিনাৰ পেপাৰ মই টপিক দ্য কনচেপ্ট অফ সাবষ্টেন্স এজ এ ৰিয়েলিটি অফ বৈশেষিক ফিলচফি এই টপিকটো লৈছিলোঁ চাই যাব আপোনালোকে কেনেধৰণে মই সেমিনাৰ পেপাৰখন বনাইছিলোঁ ইন্ট্ৰডাকশ্যন ফাৰ্ষ্ট দিছিলোঁ তাত দিছোঁ দ্য বৈশেষিক চিষ্টেম ৱাজ ফাউণ্ডেড বাই দ্য শেখ Kannada. The Boisesico philosophy is pluralistic realism, which emphasizes that diversity is the soul of the universe. Kannada is also known as Kanabhuko, Uluko, and Kashyapa. So the Boisesico philosophy is also known as the Kannada or Olokiko system. He was called Kannada because he used to live as an ascetic on the gains picked up from the fields. The Boisesico system is allied to the Nyaya system. It was the first paragraph. Next, the systematic work of this philosophy is the Boisesico Sutra of Kannada. Kannada suggests one who lives on the philosophy of particularity, Bisesa. Boisesico recognizes only two independent sources of knowledge, for example, perception and inference. According to Boisesico, there are only 7 categories of reality. These 7 categories of realities are substance, quality, action, samanya, bishesha, samabaya, and abhava. Next, মই seminar paperখনত objective দিছোঁ তাত দিয়া আছে through this paper presentation I want to discuss about the concept of substance as a reality of Boisesico philosophy. Next, মই লিখিছোঁ Boisesico categories of substance. A category is called Padartha and the entire universe is reduced to 6 or 7 Padarthas. Padartha literally means the meaning of a word. All object of knowledge or all reals comes under Padartha. Kannada defines a substance, an entity which has qualities and action, which is the inherent or material cause of an effect. A substance is the substrate of qualities and action. It is a real objective existence. It is different from qualities and action. Without substance, we cannot have qualities and actions. Substance is the basis of qualities and actions, actual or potential, present or future. Next, according to the Boisesicus, there are 9 kinds of substance and include material as well as spiritual substance. The 9 substances are earth, water, fire, air, ether, time, space, soul, mind. These 5 substances are called physical element. Panchabhuta. Ether is not atomic but infinite and eternal. Each of them possesses a peculiar quality. The peculiar quality of earth, water, fire, air, and ether are smell, taste, color, touch, and sound respectively, which are sensed by the 5 external sense organs. Time and space, like ether, are one, each eternal and all pervading. They are imperceptible and infinite substances and are partless and indivisible. Time is the cause of our cognitions of past, present, and future, and of younger and older. Space is the cause of our cognition of east and west, here and there, near and far, and is different from ether, which is the substratum of the qualities of sound. There are innumerable souls, and each is an independent, individual, eternal, and all-pervading spiritual substance. Soul is the substratum of the quality of consciousness. Consciousness is not the essence of the self. It is advantageous because the self does not possess this quality during deep sleep. According to the Boisesico, self is of 2 kinds. For example, Jivatma and Paramatma. Jivatma is many but Paramatma is one. Mind is also regarded as a substance. It is the internal sense, antra-indriya. It is atomic, but unlike the 4 atomic dravyas, it does not give rise to compound objects. It is many and it is eternal and imperceptible. Mind is a substance and it is atomic and partless. These are the 9 substances of the Vaisheshikos. All of them are objective realities. Earth, water, fire, and air are atomic and eternal. A substance is the material cause of its effect. Substance is different from a quality and an action. A quality is a non-inherent cause. Conjunction of traits is the quality of a non-inherent cause of a cloth. Action is a non-inherent cause of conjunction and disjunction. Traits are the inherent cause of a cloth. A substance is an inherent cause of an effect, while a quality and an action is non-inherent causes. Next, my conclusion disu. Vaisheshika is a realistic philosophy which combines pluralism with theism. The spiritual contribution of the Vaisheshika philosophy are its comprehensive conception of Padartha, which is denoted by a word. Its classification of object and its atomic cosmology. In the classification of substance, it recognizes the distinction between positive and negative substance. It also made distinction between those that have being and those which have no being, but are as real as mass denoted by words as the former. Again, it is here pointed out that while most substance can be classified and brought under certain genera, there are some like akasha or ether, samanya, vishesha, samabaya, and abhava, which do not come under any corresponding genera. The Vaisheshika division of substance into 7 classes and of this into many other subclasses is a logical classification of them based on their distinction, characters, and ultimate differences. এইখিনি আছিলে কনক্লুজনত। নেক্সট মই ৰেফাৰেন্সত লিখিছোঁ কোনকেইখন বুকছৰ মই হেল্প লৈ এই চেমিনাৰ পেপাৰখন তৈয়াৰ কৰিছিলোঁ। ৰেফাৰেন্সত মই বুক আউটলাইন অফ ইণ্ডিয়ান ফিলচফি সিনহা যদুনাথৰ বুকখনৰ হেল্প ল'লোঁ। নেক্সট মই লৈছিলোঁ এন ইণ্ট্ৰডাকশ্যন টু ইণ্ডিয়ান ফিলচফি দত্ত ধীৰেন্দ্ৰনাথ চেটাৰ্জী এণ্ড সতীশ চন্দ্ৰ। নেক্সট মই আৰু এখন বুকৰ হেল্প লৈছিলোঁ, সেইখন হৈছে আউটলাইন অফ ইণ্ডিয়ান ফিলচফি এম হিৰিয়ানাৰ। আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো আছিলে এইখিনিয়ে। যিসকলে MA পঢ়ি আছে ফিলচফিত মেজৰ লৈ সেইসকলে মোৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টো চাব। ভাল লাগিলে লাইক কৰিব, কমেণ্ট কৰিব আৰু এনেধৰণৰ ভিডিঅ' পাবলৈ মোৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ৰাখিব। আজিলৈ ইমানেই।